Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to check Toshiba power PCB board 7.2 kg model number AW-A820MM. So the problem was error. This light LED light is blinking before, so I already repaired this PCB board. This is double PCB board, this one power board and this is control board. So how to check this PCB board without washing machine? So let's try. This is train motor, inlet valve, water level pressure sensor, capacitor 8.5 UF. So let's try. Turn on. Okay, press start. Left and right. Okay, and off. Okay, I hold. Press start again. Okay, it's done. It's working fine. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. For any information, kindly contact me.